Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you this pond, one of the biggest pond. Here also available the local fishes, and one of the boatman is sailing this boat towards the next park. So as I said, in my next video I'm going to explore and show you the next park. So we are heading towards that park. So you can see the natural beauty is very awesome. This place within Assam in Bongaigaon district, it's one of the district, and this territory within Indian state. Some birds are mesmerizing the sound, very cool sound, and it's very awesome to see and hear the voice, very beautiful and melodious. This pond is very big size, that part and that part, and this part, that side, all including 4 parts. So already we reach the pond bank. Let's go, bro. Come. You can see the natural beauty. Right from kids to your man, means old ages man, right from your kid. All people can get together, they can visit. It's eco-friendly park here. You can see some of the flower plants and blossoming flowers, and some natural plant for your beautification and oxygen. So keeps on watch. Little dangerous here due to some poisonous snake, so we have to be careful about that. You can see the natural view. So I'm approaching this narrow path here. People can come with some friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, man, woman, right from kids to old ages people. People come here and enjoy. It's most beautiful and a big size park. This park consisting with some unicular portion. There's the cultural house, that part also. There also. It's under Assam government. It's monitoring by government of Assam. And Assam is the one of the state within Northeast Indian territory. It's South Asian country, India, and Assam is the state. And within this Assam state, I'm here, one of the particular district in Lower Assam, Bongaigaon. This park name is Kuyakuchi. You can Google it, you can see yourself. One of the largest park in my life I have come across this time. So during evening time, you can see the crowds. Many people visit here. now there is no such people scatter. There's no such huge people. Just few people are here. You can see the natural beauty. We can assume this consists with more than 200 acres. You can see the birds. Did you see it? Birds are giving murmuring voice, very soothing and very melodious. You can see that small size heart, small size of home. I think security personnel, and that side the playground, and next to that pond bank there is the school. Thank you for watching my FB page, Mr. Rahul Worldwide, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also, Info Stock. If you like my video, like, share, comments. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.